In this lesson, we'll be creating a new post and saving it to our Supabase backend. So first things first, let's link a create new post button to a create new post page. So we click on a button, and then normally what we would do is go to the actions and add an action. The only thing is this would work with an ordinary button, but as our button is a component, we actually need to go back to our properties, and at the very bottom we can add the action. Let's open this and we'll add an action. Just so you know, you might have first a little thing saying callback, so you would click first on callback, and then you'll get the screen again, and you can just click on action, add action. We get our first action, and we can navigate to create new post. Great, so now we've linked the button to our page. We can close this. Let's go to create new post. And so what we're going to do is when the user clicks on this button here, it's going to save all the data to our Supabase backend. For the picture, we'll do this in the next lesson, but for this lesson, we'll just look at the title and description. So let's click on create new post. Again, it's a component, so we need to go to the bottom, open an action flow editor, add an action, and then we go to backend database, Supabase, insert row, and here we select a post table, and let's just add all the different columns inside the post table on Supabase. We can remove the post ID because this will be inputted automatically. Same thing with the created at, it'll take the current time, so we don't need to do it now. And then the post pictures, as we said, we'll do this later, so let's also remove this. Okay, great. Now let's update the user ID. The user ID is the authenticated user's ID. And then the description, we get it from the widget state, and it's the description. And then for the title, same thing, it's also from the widget state, and it's called title. So now this should update all the info into Supabase. Let's just add one last action, which is redirecting to the home page. So let's just add the action, navigate to, and home page. So it should navigate to the home page after inserting all the rows into Supabase. Now let's test this out. Here we are on our home page. Let's create a new post. Perfect, brings us here. Let's call a title Lisbon Best Place in the world. And then let's just create the new post. Perfect, let's go and check Supabase now. And in Supabase, let's just give it some time to reload. Here we have a row, and it's Lisbon, best place in the world. Great, so that worked perfectly. That's it for this lesson.